back to my channel. My name is Royce and welcome. Today I'll be starting another 800 calorie diet. This is a keto program and I'm going to be doing 30 days to Christmas. Today is the 25th of November and I'm starting today and I'm going to do 30 days. I'm trying to lose at least, drop about 10 to 15 pounds before Christmas. Every week I'll give you guys a video. That's what you should expect from me. On Sundays I'll drop a video and so that you guys can see what my weight is. And if you want to hear more about this challenge, stay tuned. Okay guys, as you saw from my scale, I have gained about 5 to 6 pounds, which is a good weight gain compared to I wasn't eating healthy and I wasn't doing anything really. I did walk here and I did walk majority of the time in every morning, and I also ate at least healthier than I did before, but I wasn't like strictly healthy. I wasn't doing keto 100%. I was probably doing keto like 50 keto, and I would start in the morning and then in the evenings I would just have a normal meal, and I had a couple of ice creams here and there. So yeah guys, so now I'm back on the program, and as you saw guys, the program is really good and it works if you stick to it, and the weight does stay off, because I should have put on more weight than this because I started working, as if you guys remember, so it's been really stressful with the new job and all that stress. So I'm actually surprised that I didn't put in as much weight as I thought. For my workouts, I'm going to be walking and I'm going to be doing some ab workouts because my belly is still bellying, as you can see. And I'm also going to do some squats. I'm going to be doing JJ Smith's squat challenge. It's a 30-day squat challenge starting today, and I'll put up the timetable here. And then I'll probably do Chloe Ting, I think she's Ting, belly, something to do with the belly for 30 days guys. And then like some ab workout. I'll figure out something and I'll put it right here, you'll see it. And also guys, in terms of food, what I'm going to be eating on this program is mainly eggs, scrambled eggs with bacon. I'm going to have salads and with either salmon or chicken or beef, and I'm going to just do these things. I'll try and not eat anything that's not eggs or salad or vegetables. Broccoli probably. I'll do broccoli, the good vegetables, and avocado of course. But yeah guys, I'm trying to be strict on this program. I'm going to stick to it. Guys, and if somebody wants to join this program, please feel free to join guys. So let me show you my measurements right now, or let me show you how my body looks like. My battery is about to go off, so let me show you. So this is how I look from the front, from the sides, and from the back, and then from the side again. And without, my belly grew guys, look at my belly. So this is the side and this is the back and this is the side as well. So yeah guys, my belly did grow a bit, you know. I think this is stress belly fat. I say that it's hormonal or something like that, but it has to do with stress, and I have been under a lot of stress, but we're going to get rid of this belly. But yeah guys, so that's my body composition. I don't have a measuring tape, but I'll try and measure myself off camera because my camera is going to go off, and I'm quickly. And also guys, life update. As you remember, the last time we spoke, I had started working and my work has been going well, and I'm really happy about that. I'm learning my job as I'm going and it's getting less stressful, and we're settled down in our new home. I've done some decorating and everything, and I have some pictures. I'm going to do like a up-to-date house tour so that you guys can see what I've done to the house. And yeah guys, I also did a Thanksgiving video, like you guys seeing me how I cook for my Thanksgiving. I haven't cooked Thanksgiving in a long time, so if you guys want to see my Thanksgiving feast, I will post a video probably this week or tomorrow. But yeah guys, thank you so very much for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that every time I post a new video you'll be notified. And thank you so very much for watching. Bye bye.